Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Christy VANN with VANNtastic Finances, and on this channel I teach velocity banking. Today I wanted to do a short video just going over a few comments and questions that are on the YouTube channel. And I have to start with this one, stat canine training. And the reason that I'm starting with you is my husband is also a canine handler, so I think that that is very cool that that's your line of work. So stat canine training 267 says, Christy, you rock. In 2 months' time, I have paid off all credit card debt. My car is next, then I'll pay off my mortgage. Your techniques are simple and they make sense. This is the first time in my life that I am in control of my finances. Well, Stat K-Night, I am very excited that you shared that with me. And I know that you're going to do great just because I can feel your excitement and I know you're going to do it. And this strategy is going to make it work for you. So I'm very excited for you. So keep up the good work and keep me updated. The next comment is from Veronica DeVos 807. She says, this blew my mind. I'm definitely going to be using this strategy. That is terrific news. I know you can do it. A question from Slow But Scattered 1567. You said, can I do this with my student loans? I have $65,000. Absolutely, you can do this with your student loans. All you need is a line of credit and you can get started chunking. Peach Rings 1611 says, new subscriber here. Any vids on paying off $40,000 in student loans? Absolutely. Go to the playlist. I have a student loan section there. You can pay off any debt with velocity banking, and student loans just happens to be one of those. Now remember, student loans are government loans as well. So of course they're going to have that low interest rate with all of that interest front loaded at the beginning of the loan. So you definitely want to hit those student loans. Some things that I've really noticed with the student loans that they're doing that's pretty ridiculous is if they have a set payment for you, it's sometimes not even covering the amount of interest that they're charging every month. That's why you see your student loans increasing instead of decreasing with every payment. So my suggestion, if you can put those student loans on 0% credit cards to stop the interest, stop the bleeding, then you're going to be better off. But yes, definitely get those student loans into lines of credit so that you can start working those down with your cash flow. Emmanuel Constant 1760 says, I appreciate your videos. Question, how does this work if you don't have a HELOC? Remember, a HELOC is a home equity line of credit, so you do have to be a homeowner to get a HELOC. But they have personal lines of credit, HELOCs. You don't have to own a home to get that, and they're unsecured. Paul K 8537 says, Christy, VANNtastic videos. That's what I like to hear. Please showcase how a person can use a 0% credit card to pay off multiple interest charging credit cards. Thank you again. 0% credit cards are excellent for stopping the bleeding or stopping the interest from accruing. Transferring any interest-bearing line into a 0% almost always benefits you. Yes, you're going to have the 3 to 5% charge associated with that transfer, but sometimes that charge is just the first month interest that you're paying on the account you're transferring from. So certainly look into 0% credit cards if you have interest-bearing accounts, whether they be loans or credit cards, so you can transfer those amounts onto that 0%. Let them sit there for the term making the minimum payment until you are ready and prepared to pick that debt up and start paying it off very quickly. Albert Gorham 9844 sent super bucks and says, thanks, you are amazing. I just bought a home and would like to use this method to pay off my home faster. Do you offer your services for hire? My videos are all you need to get out of debt. I have videos on the student loans, the home loans, the personal loans, credit cards, car loans, whatever you need to help you get out of debt. The videos should give you scenarios that relate closely to yours. Yes, I do have services, but the videos are free. So keep watching videos. You will gain the concept. But yes, I do offer services. They are at my website, or I do have links below each video. Now regarding mortgages, we have one more question. In your mortgage videos, you are always saying that we need to take the interest rate times 2. Why do you say that? Well, the best answer I can give you is you need to go look at your mortgage documents. Go pull your mortgage contract that you got, that you had to sign the 45 pages before you could actually obtain that loan. Go to your closing documents and look on the last page. If you notice, they show you your interest rate. So let's say that it's at 6%. But when you go to the closing documents and you look towards the bottom of the last page, you will see the actual APR that you are paying on the life of that loan. And it's always double what you're actually seeing. So if you have a loan at 6%, then you're going to be paying approximately 120% in interest. That's not something I made up. Go look at your loan papers. It tells you right there. We just never realize that because they don't actually point that out. So if you have a 2% loan, then you'll pay approximately 40% in interest. If you have a 5% loan, you're going to pay 100% interest. And if you have a 7% interest rate on your mortgage, you're going to pay 140% interest, approximately. Like I said, check out your loan documents. They tell you. Thank you all for joining me today. I just wanted to go over a few of the comments and questions that I get every single day on YouTube. You guys are always so very kind. I get the best comments, the best testimonies from YouTube, from my emails. I just appreciate that. I appreciate you sharing because it helps me to know that the videos are getting through. I'm reaching people with the message. And I'm giving hope to the world that you can get out of debt very quickly if you just know a few of the secrets. Finances should not be so crazy hard. We were taught to look at payments. I'm teaching how to get out of debt. Stop making payments. Start taking control of your debt. Find the freedom that you need to have the financial peace that you need for the rest of your life. I'm so excited to share with you. I want to see everyone come up out of debt and breathe, right? We all need to just breathe and relax and focus on the things that really matter in this life, and it's not debt. I did it, and I know you can do it too. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I look at the YouTube channel throughout the day, and I am reading what you are writing, and I'm excited to see how well you guys are doing. I hope you guys have a terrific week, and I will see you in the next video.